Hello and welcome. Today Iffy the Car Guy brings you a stylish subcompact crossover by Honda. This is the 2016 model brand new Honda Vezel. Now the Vezel is a new vehicle that belongs to a new category of automobiles that fuses together multifaceted values, including the dynamic qualities of an SUV, the elegance of a coupe, the practicality of a minivan with excellent fuel economy. The exterior design has been developed under the concept of dynamic cross solid. The distinctive and sharp character lines fuse together two elements of the vehicle body, the SUV-like stable lower body and coupe-like upper body. The stylish exterior design adds a glow to the people on the vehicle. If you notice, the rear outer door handles are integrated into the window graphics, creating a two-door coupe-like feel. Overall body length is 169.1 inches, width is 69.7 inches, height is 63.2 inches, with a wheelbase of 102.8 inches. Total curb weight for this car is 1270 kg. Coefficient of drag for this car is just 0.32. It has boot space with cargo capacity of 470 liters. And if you fold down the rear seats, you end up with 1530 liters, which is massive. There is seating capacity for 3 adults in the rear. There is a nice low hump down there, which means everyone will have sufficient amount of leg space. Headroom is particularly generous. These rear seats are impressively versatile. These extremely magical seats allow loading and unloading of bulkier objects in and out of the car really easy. Nice big window means better visibility, and of course plenty of sunlight is being allowed into the car. Now let's move on to the front of the car. It has very nice, comfortable, supportive seats. There are sensible amount of buttons on the steering wheel for various shortcuts. That's really good. Instrument cluster is very pleasant. It has easy to read display. Now it is ready to drive. It shows up different parameters here. It has automatic headlamps and automatic wipers. Another key feature introduced here is Honda's brand new infotainment system. Really easy to get used to. It's Android based and customizable. You can actually tailor it according to your needs. One thing I didn't like about it is this weird capacitive touch that really doesn't work that fast. I wish if it had that traditional knob for the volume control. Now there is one thing really special and specific to Vezel is this touch interface here for air conditioning automatic climate control. That looks really nice. I would particularly appreciate this large mono vent that runs across the dash in front of the passenger seat. It's a true compliment to say it really blows. Striving to realize a high quality and comfortable cabin space, soft materials are used for most of the occupant touch points to give it a premium look. And for the soft pads, a stitching line is featured to emphasize the sense of craftsmanship. This nice center console gives it a sporty feel. Here are flexible drink holders for which bottom is adjustable to change the depth according to the height of drink containers. Simply by pressing these like this. Instead of a conventional handbrake, Vezel features this electric parking brake. It can be put on with an easy pull of this switch and released when your foot is on the brake, and press it like this. It's released now. It is featured as a standard equipment on all types. Another good feature is this auto brake hold. The Vezel is the first Honda to get this helpful feature, which is engaged with the press of a button, simply like this. It automatically applies the brake once the vehicle is stopped on a traffic signal or anything like that, meaning you don't have to keep your foot on the brake pedal to go, just press this accelerator pedal. This vehicle comes as a standard with 7 airbags, illuminated vanity mirrors, LED lighting has been adopted for front map lamps and room lamps of all types as a part of comprehensive effort to achieve a quality feeling. Here I would have to say that everything a 21st century commuter needs is accounted for in the Vezel. It has plenty of adjustment for the driver's seat and the steering wheel to find a comfortable driving position. Sporty acclaimed design and boasting couple of practicality, Vezel is equipped with Honda's next generation sports hybrid intelligent dual clutch drive system that combines a 1.5 liter direct injection engine coupled with a high output electric motor. All combined, the system produces 150 horsepower and 190 Newton meters of torque. The engine develops 130 horsepower at 6600 rpm with 155 Newton meters of torque at 4600 rpm. All combined, the system develops 150 horsepower. It reaches 0 to 100 in 8.5 seconds, which is very impressive. Honda claims fuel economy of 27 km per liter as per Japanese test cycles, whereas in our hands we have just observed 17 km per liter. The seating position is lovely and overall the interior is very comfortable and quiet. It's built to high quality, refined with good road view and great visibility through the rear window. Honda has done a very good job by introducing these optional pedal shifters, that Q transmission software with 7 virtual forward gears. These shifts are really quick if not firm, and the engine develops a slight induction rhythm that can be engaging. Hondas are known to have electric power steering pretty well, and the Vezel is no exception. The steering isn't particularly fast, but it communicates nicely, and the Vezel suspension is tuned more stiffly than many of its competitors, so there is little body roll in corners without sacrificing much comfort. Only one thing I am going to have to criticize is the light steering feel at speed. The brakes on Vezel are also superb. Under even hard braking, it remains impressively flat. For being in a class of vehicles notorious for noses that dive so hard that they get the bends coming back up. Even though the 100 to 0 stopping distance is modest and the pedal feel is predictable, that's quite impressive. In order to access the excitement, push this sports button. The car becomes rev happy and the gauge cluster looks angry. It becomes more responsive and moves with an urgency that is normally not expected from a crossover. The electric steering rack does not see noticeable increase in weight, but nonetheless, it feels as much fun to drive as its funky exterior styling suggests. However, when driven delicately with gentle accelerator application and lots of gliding, a light encircling the speedometer glows green in praise of your environmental virtue. If you are looking for a practical, affordable and flexible utility vehicle, then Vezel is the excellent choice. It's more of a cruiser than a sporty SUV, but it still performs well. Not all crossover SUVs are the same in this area. Some aim for sporty handling and a low driving position, for example the Mazda CX-3, while others prioritize an indulging and comfortable ride, for example the Suzuki Vitara. The Honda Vezel is at the softer end of the spectrum with a smoother ride as compared to the Nissan Juke. And yes, reliability. Buying a Japanese car is considered a guarantee of reliability, so the Vezel has a strong reputation to live up to. Style wise, the Vezel is off to a good start. Of course, looks are subjective, but I think it's a handsome looking car with a sloping roofline, gold creases, and hidden rear door handles that disguise the fact that it has 5 doors. Thank you for watching us. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please leave a comment and stay tuned for upcoming reviews of new cars.